All right, we are on to closing the front of the bag. We're going to move left to right, and as long as you've used the proper seam allowance throughout the build, all of this is going to tie nicely together and hide all of our stitch lines, which was the goal. Again, left to right, this stretch pocket here, and then the front pleated pocket. We're going to place those together face to face, just like this, and stitch along the side there to create the very front of the bag. There are guide notches to make sure that you are in line, and use a 3/8 inch seam allowance here. I'm just wanting to stop every so often, make sure all my cuts and guides are lining up nicely. Don't forget to back stitch. And there we have it. You can see with the 3/8 seam allowance, it hid all of the stitches. Now we've got a nice clean seam to work with. All right, next step is to take our side zipper access. We're going to attach it on the side here. Now this is why we wanted to use a less than 1/4 inch seam allowance on this pleated pocket, because we're going to use a 1/4 inch seam allowance on this. We're next to a zipper. That's our rule. On a zipper chain, we use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. So line things up face to face, roughly 1/4 inch seam allowance. Place the needle down, lift the foot up, rotate my work, slide the zipper pull out of the way, and continue on. And we should be good to go. All right, so you see that because we used an 1/8 inch seam allowance along the zipper chain, the 1/4 inch seam allowance hides it. And that is the front panel all finished up and ready to go. In the next lesson, we're going to be closing the bottom of the bag, and what we're going to do is use what I call the double U method, which I'm excited to share with you.